Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Bala.
What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As what I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are do it. So anyway, we are do some rice and peas, Jamaican rice and peas. So right now we are working with some gungo. We are showing how to master a 30-pound pot of rice and peas. So first thing first, 5 pound of peas to 30 pound rice. Yeah, 5 pound a piece. So right now, as you can see, I have 2 pot. Pour in my oil. We use oil and we use butter. Reason why we use the oil and now the oil, same like when they do the pasta, the oil keep the rice from sticking on, as we Jamaican that say married. So now we got what things that we are gonna need for season per pot. We use 8 coconut milk to 30 pound of rice. We have salt, onion, scallion, thyme, pepper. Pour pepper to the pot and we pimento. Yeah. Anyways, that now we drop that in the pot. We're gonna make that boil. Now we have, after we put that for boil, now we have rice. This our bucket we use measure rice. 30 pound all under that bucket. So we wash the rice 3 times. To wash the rice 3 times. We're gonna use this and strain the rice to get all of the water out. Cause we don't really want to throw back no more water in the pot. For change the taste. We season pot already, so now we pour rice now pot. Throw the rice in the pot now. You have to turn. You have to get a spoon and you have to turn. Because you want to get the peas from the bottom. To mix in the rice. So you have to stir the pot. And this is a gungo. Gungo, as I told you before, gungo rice and peas we do. This are your Christmas. Jamaican love do gungo for them Christmas dinner. So, but just not show you how we master a 30 pound pot. First thing, you have to make sure this are the key to the rice. First, you have to know the type of rice we are use, because you have different type of rice. Different type of rice use different type of water. Alright, now as I see me I throw out the water. You see the first line at the rim. The first line at the rim, that's where the water should stop. That how you mark your 30 pound. That's right there. So the next trick is that you know face mix, just mix like a boiled porridge. You got dig from the side. When I dig from the side now the water will go right back under the rice. So all understand say all of the rice will get for cook. So you gotta use, as you can see what I do, we use a spoon and dig from the side so the water go under back. Now say 15-20 minutes pass, so turn now we lower the stove cause we don't want the pot right. And this how me prepare my rice when I steam it. People use bag, people use all different type of way, but the file paper to me you get a better result. And I have to run back and I check. So after you do that now, you dig up your rice 1 time. You dig up your rice and then you will know if you want more liquid. If you don't want more liquid, you cover back. As I can see right now, we don't want more liquid because we get the mark with the rice. From the water reach and they say you're not going to need more liquid. We just cover it back with the file paper for another 15 minutes. Yeah. And it's not hard. Now, we finish product after 15 minutes. We know in a hustle with the pot. The more you hustle the pot, the more the pot turn in a porridge. So this our gungo rice and peas, 30 pound. So yeah man, until another video. And we first Q&A drop the 23rd of this month. So look out for it. Peace.